Hey, Terry here, July 17th, Sunday. Just got done cleaning things up. Take a good look. It's the cleanest it's gonna be for a while. Tuesday, excavator company comes out and you're gonna see a big mess. But we'll work to clean it up, and looking forward to it. Looking forward to having all the house area and all the leach field and some backyard cleared. So going to be a lot more trees, going to be a lot more brush to burn, a lot more stumps to take. I got everything off the driveway here and off to the side. The trailers are off to the side, and just waiting for Tuesday. So, more video on Tuesday.